Dirt that hides deep inside carpet fibers and floor mats can make even a freshly washed car feel unfinished. This interior and upholstery detailing brush is designed to solve that exact problem by reaching where vacuums alone cannot. From the first use, it helps lift embedded debris, dust, and grit, making interior cleaning faster and far more effective. Built with sturdy, well-balanced bristles, this brush is ideal for agitating dirt trapped in fabric, carpet, and rubber floor mats. The bristles are firm enough to loosen stubborn particles yet controlled enough to avoid damaging surfaces when used properly. This makes it a reliable tool for routine interior detailing as well as deeper cleaning sessions when buildup has had time to settle in. The ergonomic handle provides a comfortable grip, allowing you to apply consistent pressure without straining your hand. Whether you are working on vehicle floor mats, carpets, or upholstery, the brush gives you the control needed to target problem areas. Many users find the process simple and effective. Vacuum first, brush to lift remaining dirt, then vacuum again for noticeably cleaner results. Compact and lightweight, the brush is easy to store and convenient to grab whenever detailing is needed. With package dimensions of approximately 2.5 by 7 by 3 inches and a weight of about 0.5 pounds, it fits easily into a detailing kit or garage drawer. Made in the United States, it reflects a focus on practical design and dependable performance for automotive care. Detailers and car owners alike appreciate how well this brush performs on floor mats, where dirt tends to settle deep and resist removal. If you want a straightforward tool that helps your interior look cleaner with less effort, check the product link in the video description to learn more. Subscribe to the channel to discover more useful detailing tools that make car care easier and more effective.